Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro. In this video I will show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select the Loyalty card and select loyalty program you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card and enter member ID. In the end, let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Add to Wallet button. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.